Here's a look at a great sports car in our collection. A pre-owned 2005 Honda S2000. This Honda is powered by rear-wheel drive 4-liter engine, manual transmission, and has 62,471 miles. Rev up your excitement with this classic 2005 Honda S2000. Experience the perfect blend of power and precision in this stunning two-seater convertible. Don't miss your chance to own a slice of automotive history. Drive into adventure today. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.